Hey fam, so I'm back with more plant-based goodness. Now before being vegan, I love Peruvian chicken. That flavor profile plus the char was so heavenly. So I decided to veganize the dish using maitake mushrooms, also known as hen of the woods. These mushrooms have the perfect meaty texture and bite. So first I created my Peruvian marinade and let the mushrooms soak up so much flavor. And now it's time to go ahead and char these babies up. Now if you don't have a grill pan, you can always use a regular cast iron skillet, or you can put them actually on the grill. I mean, it is summertime and we're cooking out, or roast them in the oven. You know, we're going to use what we got to get what we want. Now let's go ahead and pause for this sizzle effect. So I also made a green sauce to pair with these mushrooms, and it is so next level and top tier, and that is no cap. It's super easy to make. All you do is throw everything in a blender. The star of the show is actually cilantro, but we are going to throw in a few extra green veggies like some jalapenos and green onions. We're also going to add in some lime juice, some vegan sour cream. Now you can swap the sour cream out for a vegan plain yogurt. We're also going to add in some vegan mayo and some spices like some salt and pepper, and blend that all up. Now once it's blended up, the last thing you want to go back and add is some olive oil to thicken it up. This sauce is so amazing on this dish, but it's also great on burrito bowls, wraps, and it even took my veggie sandwich to a whole nother level. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this recipe. Make sure you grab your free recipe out of the description box down below. And I wish y'all could smell the aroma in here. It smells so good, and it tastes just as good as it smells. So be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.